Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely Range Rover Autobiography mild hybrid in Santorini Black. This is a D350, it's previously had one owner. You have 22-inch silver finish alloys, along with a powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full. Going into the boot, you can see you've got plenty of space there for things such as golf clubs, push chairs and shopping. You also have an electrically deployable tow bar, which is great for things such as caravans and boats. Keyless entry, so if I tap here the car will lock, and if I pull the handle it will unlock the car. Autobiography illuminated tread plates and a lovely leather interior which is easy to clean. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice to open on a sunny day or for some fresh air. You have a cooler compartment, ideal if you're going on a long journey and want to keep refreshments cold. You've got heated and cooled front seats, ideal for winter and summer, along with massage seats, which is a real luxury to have, and you've got a few different settings to choose from. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you've got a rear view camera, along with a 360-degree surround camera, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone, timed climate so you can set the temperature before even getting in the car. You can also control your tow bar from inside the vehicle, which saves you even having to get out. And you have ambient lighting with a few different colours to choose from, which looks effective in the dark, and you can also adjust the brightness or turn it off altogether. You have controls on your wheels, so we have a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, along with blind spot monitor, which is really helpful whilst driving along the motorway. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must on a cold winter morning. Memory seats throughout the car, handy if there's several people driving the vehicle, and a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. This car's done at 7,621 miles. And stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning Range Rover Autobiography. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.